Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to cancel order on Temu app. So canceling an order from Temu happens when you find a better option or to correct an error in the order, and here's how to do it. First thing first, let's go ahead and open up our or profile, and then we're going to open the orders here, and the orders, you should be able to see it here. It has to be processing still in order for you to cancel. I'm just going to go ahead and click the order, and then I'm going to scroll down. There is an option for me to cancel this one. I'm just going to go ahead and click that, and then I'm going to click cancel the order. I'm going to select this item right here, and then I'm going to click next step. So there are different reasons here, so go ahead and choose which one applies to you. For example, I'm going to try to choose this one here, found cheaper somewhere else, and then I'm going to click next step. All right, and then confirm cancellation. So as you can see, cancellation is in progress. You can just go ahead and wait for this one, and cancel should be done just like so. So that's it. Thank you guys for watching this video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel.